Hi everyone, Sean with MarineMax Jupiter here. We are on the all-new Aquila 47 Molokai. Let's hop on board. So we are standing in the aft cockpit of the 47 Molokai now, and gosh, just looking around, the amount of real estate you have to work with back here is incredible. Whether you're out fishing, you're hooked on a blue marlin, or you're at the sandbar enjoying some time with your family, you have a really nice and heavy dive door over here on the starboard side, which is through also on the port side, so you don't have to worry about which side you're docking at because you have dive doors or boarding doors on both sides. We have a nice 50-gallon in-floor live well system, which is also macerated, and identical one on the port side. Also 50 gallons macerated. Coming over here, we have two 42-gallon live wells, one on port side, one on the starboard side. What's nice about that is you can have 4 different species of fish out while fishing, and you could just turn those days from, you know, your 4-hour fishing days, extend it all the way up to 12 hours. It's up to you. So moving forward inside the aft cockpit, we have a nice bench seat on the port side, which we have at the starboard side too, but I wanted to take some time and point out, when you're out fishing and you have those bench seats in, they're truly not in the way. And once you're at the sandbar, you want to deploy them, pull on it, good to go. Now this boat is optioned with the summer kitchen. So with the summer kitchen, you get a nice Kenyan grill, prep station when you're out fishing, and a sink. On top of that, we have nice drink holders over here, and if you have knives or anything, you can drop them back there. Nice isotherm fridge that also has a freezer, and you have one on the starboard side and port side. Got a nice trash receptacle, drawers that you can keep paper towels or your tackle items in there. Another neat feature of the 47 Molokai is that we have a 16-inch Raymarine display back here. So while your crew is out fishing with you, instead of having them walk over to the helm or ask you, hey, what are we marking? What's the depth? They can easily turn around, put the depth finder on here, and do it all themselves. Now let's head over to the helm. We're at the helm of the 47 Molokai now. This boat is configured with dual row seating, 4 in the back, 3 in the front. And what's unique about this, Aquila actually elevated the back row, so whoever sits back there still has a clear view of what's going on up front. This helm area is configured with AC, which also includes the back row with their own dedicated AC vents. Now moving over to the fun stuff, our helm display. This helm is configured with 3 16-inch Raymarine displays. So this gives you endless options of what you can put on there. You can put your Mercury display over there, FLIR, which this boat is equipped with. So that's fun. And then this boat also has the C-Zone vessel configuration. So you can select all your stuff through your dashboard here, or we have a dedicated C-Zone display here that when you're going out on a cruise, you select night cruise. If you're docked away with shore power, you put docked away with shore power. What that C-Zone does for you is it automatically reverts all the boat's system settings to what you want it to be. So if you're docked away with shore power, it's gonna turn everything off, but leave the battery chargers and whatnot on, the inverter on. If you do docked away without shore power, it's going to shut the whole boat down for you, so you're not drawing anything. Really nice feature on this 47 Molokai. Nice storage over here. And then obviously we have the Release Marine bolsters right there. Now let's get into the cabin. Now we're down in the cabin, and Aquila placed your engine battery switches and electrical panel in such a convenient place that you don't even have to come down or look around. Open the door, reach right in here, turn everything on, and just get your day out. Switches right here for your cabin lights, your helm AC, and then your cabin AC as well. We have a nice bed right here that sleeps too, and over on the port side, which we're gonna get to right now, we have a nice head and shower. So now we're at the head of the Aquila 47. I'm 6'2" and I still have plenty of headspace left. We have nice storage right here, sink, a mirror, and then your shower handle right here. Curtains, so if you're showering, you have a privacy over here, and then dual doors that just easily close up right there. Now, let's say you have a little one that's, you know, taking a nap at the sandbar or anything, you don't want to disturb them. You can grab your privacy curtain, close that all the way off. That way, whoever's over on that side, whether it's a toddler or somebody changing, they have complete privacy over there, but you still have access to your head. Now, let's take a look at the bow. So, making our way to the bow, you're gonna notice that we have these steps incorporated in the hardtop support, making it easy access to the hardtop. Moving forward, we have a nice ice maker over here, in addition to the 2 fridges over there. True to starboard and port, on the front row, we have trash receptacles, access to your tank, and then this is a neat feature. We have our fish boxes. We have a 90-gallon fish box, and this one's 165 gallons. We have that both starboard and port side. Like I tell everyone, this is an absolute fishing machine. I wasn't kidding when I said you can go 12 hours out on this boat. Here at the bow, we have 3 nice loungers, which, as you can tell, really gives you a nice lumbar support as well when it comes back down. So it's not like you're sitting up straight. It really eases you into it. We have nice storage. We call these the coffin boxes, which have inserts as well that you can take out. So when you have a wet dock line or anything, instead of just dumping them somewhere and they get moldy, you put them right over here, lets it drain out, and then next thing you know, you don't have moldy dock lines anymore. We have dedicated bucket storage over here. And if you're not using the buckets that day, pull everything out. Very nice feature from Aquila. And same thing as the starboard side, we have same configuration. And look at this, we have a dock line here, getting all dried up. Now, we have a very nice platform up here, which bow wash down, so when you're pulling your anchor up, you can spray all the debris off. Deep storage down there for fenders or whatnot. Access to your windlass right here with the chain. And over here you have access to your windlass motor. Really nice feature with Aquila over here. Overall, a really great build. Like we mentioned over on the starboard side, same here, 165-gallon fish box, 90-gallon fish box, and we have our electrical reel outlets over here as well. You got 2 in the bow, 2 in the aft. Another item, tackle drawers. No boat has enough. Wash down over there. Now this Aquila 47 Molokai is powered by quad V10 400 horsepower. These engines push this boat really nicely, fuel efficient, one of the best rides I've experienced in my life. This boat, you're gonna be cruising in the mid to high 50s. You can bring it down to high 40s, but it loves going fast. And then you're gonna be topping out at around 73, 74 miles an hour. Nice dive ladder out back here as well that we have on most of our Aquila models. And just overall an absolute fishing machine or a nice sandbar boat. Thank you for joining me on this Aquila 47 Molokai walkthrough video. Come check it out today at MarineMax Jupiter.